Good day everyone. My topics today is all about career preparation and opportunities. This group prepares you for the real world job market, giving you tools to access opportunities and manage your future. Level up with BPO Gateway to global opportunities. BPO Business Process Outsourcing offers entry to multinational companies and careers. Benefits: international work culture, exposure, competitive salaries and growth paths, skill building in customer service, communication and technology. Preparation: improve English fluency and soft skill. Learn tools used in BPOs, CRM, software, phone etiquette. Be flexible with shifts and adaptability. Getting ready for job application includes resume, cover letter writing, preparing for interviews, building a portfolio if applicable. Key tips: customize your resume for each job. Research companies before applying. Practice mock interviews. Follow up professionally. Financial literacy for young professionals. Why it's important: helps you manage income, avoid debt, and build wealth. Core skills: budgeting and saving, understanding taxes and pay slips, investing basics, stocks, mutual funds, retirements plans, managing loans and credit score. Thank you.